Okay, hi everyone. Am I audible? Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone. Can you see my screen? Am I audible or visible? Hi Ranjay. Actually, you know what happened? I joined the meeting 10 minutes back. Okay, I actually joined the meeting 10 minutes back, but there was one other thing that I forgot to do that I have to go live also. Since this platform, so I just joined, I did not realize I could see that number of participants also, but later I saw that it's off air. Good morning, KS. All right, guys, can you see my screen? Is my screen visible? iPad screen? Ranjay, KS, is my iPad screen visible? Guys, can you please confirm me for that? Is my iPad screen visible? Okay, great. So yesterday we were doing this question: delete nth node. Delete nth node from the end. Okay, how many of you did this problem? So what will be the agenda for today? Let me just first write the agenda for today is we will do this problem, okay, and then we will do one more problem on linked list. On linked list, and then we'll start stack and queues. Okay, great. So let's first do this one. Let's first complete this one. Yesterday we did. How many of you did this problem? Just write yes or no in the chat. How many of you completed this problem? Given a simply linked list and delete kth node from the end. You know, should I tell you one fun fact? There's a one fun fact about this problem. At Algo Tutor, when we hire for some DSA instructor, so out of the multiple problems that we ask, this is one of a very common problem. One of the very common problem that we ask. Like we have asked these questions to almost every instructor. Okay. Actually, this is our manager's favorite question. Whatever. Okay, go. Let's go. Uh, this. What is the brute force? Absolute brute force. Approach one. What is the approach one? What is approach one for this? Can I say it will be very simple? I'll just simply reverse the list because I cannot travel backward. I cannot travel backward. So what I'll do is I'll first reverse the list and then delete kth node from new start. Okay. So let's say of course from yesterday only this is creating problem. So let me just take this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K. Okay. This is my problem. Sorry, this is my, you can say, the new linked list. Great. After that, now I had to delete fourth node. So this will be my new start. Can I say new head? NH, new head. Right? And then once I can say delete kth node from the new head. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The same logic that we did here. Delete nth node. Delete kth node from the start. Does that make sense, everyone? Does this logic make sense? Guys, there are 106 people active. I need response from everyone. I don't think that you have to do anything here. You have to write the function reverse of the linked list and delete kth node from the new head. We have already done this one. So we have to just call that. Right? So let's analyze the complexity for this one. Let's analyze the complexity. Complexity analysis. Right? What will be the time complexity for this one? Tell me, what will be the time complexity for reverse? Guys, what will be the time complexity for the reverse? No one? Why? KS, what will be the time complexity? Ranjay? It will be O of N, right? It will be big O of N. And then delete kth node. This will be also how much? Tell me how much this will be. No, Trishnesh. No, this will not be O of N. This will not be O of N. To delete this node from the start, how much are you traveling? How much are you traveling? Tell me. How much exactly are you traveling? Are you traveling the entire? No, you are just traveling this much. So this will be just O of K. O of K. Okay. But first tell me, do you think that this is good solution, or like not even time complexity? This is even a solution? Do you feel that? Or am I missing something here? Just check once that if I'm missing something here. Am I not missing something here? You remember yesterday we did a problem, palindrome. What did we do wrong at the end? Though we did the problem, but we did something wrong at the end. Yes, KS. Looks like there is only one guy who is active in the class. Rest all of you have just like joined the meeting from your bed. The class is going on and you are sleeping. See, in this thing, I tried one approach that first find the length and then subtract it from the node and then delete it. Yes, case. We are coming on that also. We are coming on that. The thing is, everyone, notice here. This is not even solution. This particular thing is not even solution. After this step, though I have deleted, though let's say I delete this one, but is it my same linked list as before? No. Actually, my new linked list is this, but my original linked list was something like this. So I'll have to re-reverse the entire list. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Re-reverse the entire linked list, and this will be again O of n. All right, this makes sense, everyone. So the complexity will be actually 2O of n plus O of k. All right, it will be 2O of n plus O of k. Can we do better than this? There is one more solution. I'll just discuss that. So let's say this is k. This is k. This k value is from n. Right? This k value is from n. And the total length is n. So what will be this value from here? Can I say this will be n minus k? Yes or no? Can we see that? This will be n minus k. Everyone, come on. Will this be n minus k? So there is one more approach 2. All right, guys, let's do one thing. I need few minutes. Actually, my just pen charge got ended up. So I just need 2 minutes. It will just recharge it. Meanwhile, first implement this logic. You have 2 to 3 minutes. Implement this logic. Okay? Try it on your own and then we'll discuss it. Just implement this one. How many of you have done this? There is approach to bro, gates हटा देना. Just give me 1 minute. উপরে আছে ভালো করে সেটিং হ্যাঁ 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 না এখানে তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না এটা মশলা দাও পুরো ওয়াইফাই নিয়ে গেছে এই তো আপনি আওয়াজ হবে আওয়াজ হবে এই পাপা দেখেন আওয়াজ হবে আজকে যদি হয়ে যেত আজকে তো আপনাকে ফিক্স আছে আচ্ছা আছে না আমি করে করতে যাই কালকে হয়ে যাবে কালকে কমপ্লিট করব কালকে আমরা একটা কাম করতে পারবো হ্যাঁ কালকে বেলা দিকে তো ধরুন আমি একটা দেখতে পাবো ঠিক আছে আপনি সকালবেলা ফ্রি all right. So the second approach is very simple. Find the length of linked list. Okay, we can find the length of the linked list. Let's say it is n. Okay, then delete n minus kth node from start. Okay, all right, can we do this? What will be the complexity for this one? This will be O of n, and again this will be approximately O of n only, but it is actually O of n minus k. So this will be basically 2O of n, right? Can we do something better than this? Can we do something better on this? Like, can we do this task in single pass? Like, I don't want to re-travel. See, what happening is, in the entire case, I'm re-traveling. So let's first I'm traveling to find the length, and then again I'm traveling. In just one single pass, I want to do this. Can we do that? Just try once. Think, can we do that or not? Take 2 minutes. Okay, I'm here only. In case you have some idea, you can just discuss that with me. Okay. Yes, I have given you the permission to speak. Someone wanted to speak. Someone wanted to speak. I gave you the permission. You can go on. On. See, Again here, basic concept of basic logic, nothing fancy, basic logic. So let's say a body is here at A and a body B is here, and the distance between them is K. No case. Even if you know the tail pointer, see, even if you know the tail pointer, you cannot travel it backward. The problem is that even if you know the tail pointer, you cannot travel it backward. It is a singly linked list, not the doubly one. Okay. For a minute, even if I say that you know the tail pointer, you can't do that. Okay. Just give me one. হ্যাঁ দাদা বলুন কোনটা বাইরের দরজাটা বলছেন আপনি সাঠিয়ে দিন ঠিক আছে okay now what I'm saying is let's say a body here is at a body A is at say let's say 2 meter and this is at 6 meter. Okay, so the distance between them is 4. Now if I move both A and B with the same speed, will the distance between them will be same? Yes or no? If both are moving with the same speed, they will maintain the same distance. Speed and distance is directly proportional. Yes or no? First tell me this. So let's say that I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, I, J. Great. I kept my start pointer here and I kept my end pointer here. All right. So the distance between them is 4 units. All right. So can I say my end pointer is at fourth node? End pointer is at fourth node. And now if I move to the last, so do you see that by the time this end pointer will reach to the last node, this start pointer will reach to the fourth node? Yes or no? This start pointer will reach to the fourth node. So in one single pass, am I able to get this last node? In one single pass, am I able to get this last node? Yes or no? See, at initially the distance was 4. Ending was at the fourth node and the starting was at the start node. By the time this end will reach at this one, the start will be at the kth node. But here is the trick. In order to delete this nth node, we wanted to stand at this node or a node before that? We wanted to stand at this node or a node before that? Tell me that. In order to delete this one, we wanted to store a node to be here. Yes or no? So what should be my initial distance? What should be my initial distance? It should be K plus 1. Okay, it should be K plus 1. So now I'll traverse, my start will be here my end will be here. By the time this will travel here, yeah, my start will be at this node. Now I have this node. Can I now delete this one? Can I now delete this one? Yes or no? I can delete that. Chalo. Very good. Do I need to write the logic for this, or is it self-explanatory? Take 2 minutes and write the code for this. Take 2 minutes and write code for this. Then we'll move to the last question of the linked list, and then we will move to stacks and queues. Guys, again that problem has started. Kindly text me in the private chat. If you are sending any message, I am not able to see that. I am just like getting your name. Gokul, Dhanush, Hariharan, Afreen, Sudesh, please text your type your message in the private chat. Hello. Again, the same issue. Chalo. Let's move to the next question now. Give me a moment. Okay. The next question is also basically the prior. Let's do one more important question. The question is, merge to list. Okay. Guys, there is no point of texting. I mean, I really can't see your messages. What I'll show you, wait a minute. What I can show you is, I'll take a screenshot and I'll show you guys what I am actually getting to see. Hold on for a minute. You can see when you are sending a message, this is how it is visible to me. So really I can't help in that. As of now, let's just given two list, merge them, such that resultant list is sorted. Okay, merge them in such a way that the resulted Shweta, Dharni, Vishnu, I really can't read your messages, buddy. It's not that I'm ignoring. I showed you that I don't have the choice. Even if I try, I can't. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So basically what you have to do is you have to merge them. So this list will point to this node, will point to this node will point to this. Your resultant list should look like this. Okay. So what your exactly resultant list should look like? A, F, B, G, C. This was here, it was H, C, H, D, I, E, J. Right. I have a solution for this current problem. All of you can join this meeting parallelly. Okay, let me just share Okay. I have shared a meeting link. All of you can join that parallelly. And you can just use that meeting as a chatting tool. So you can just write your messages there. I'll be able to read it. Contact your system. Okay, wait. I'll admit everyone. I have added a lot of people. I have allowed 15 people, but that meeting was for chat. Guys, this meeting was for chat. I can't see any messages yet. Okay, everyone, first do this problem. You have 3 to 5 minutes. First, try this problem and then we will see what to do. First, silently try this problem. Yes, I was not saying something. I was not saying something. I give you time for solving this question. How many of you have tried this? Okay, sir, no, but before as well. Okay, maybe I was on mute. Okay. So let's say I have 2 pointers here, C1 and C2. We are solving. Okay, let's see here, and then you can just try solving. Here we have 2 pointers, C1 and C2. All right. Take first linked list and second initialize account variable. No case, no. See, what do I have to do? I have to basically do C1 dot next equals C2. All right. But if I do this, don't you think my this list will be breaking? I'll lose a contact of this list, entire list. If I do this directly, C1 dot next equals C2. If I do this, will I not lose my this part? I'll lose. So what instead I can do is, I can take a forward pointer. I'll take a forward pointer. So first, I'll take forward equal C1 dot next. And then I have my forward here. And then I do C1 dot next. All right. C1 dot next. So I have my forward here. Next step, what it should be? Next, I have to point this. Can I say? This is my here pointed. I can say C1 equal forward. So my C1 is now here. All right. Or I don't need this forward anymore. Maybe let's delete this. C1 equal forward. Make sense, everyone? Now, the thing is, after this one, next point should be, I'll need to point this C2 is next to this C1. C2 next to this C1. Yes or no? I'll have to point the C2 next to this C1. Can I do directly that? C2 dot next equal C1. C2 dot next equal C1. Can I do that directly? Tell me just yes or no. Can I do that? Hello. Sorry. Can I do that? C2 dot next. If I do that, I can. But then again, I will lose this. Yes or no? Guys, I created that link for chat, but that's not useful, I guess. So I have left that meeting. You can just leave that. Okay. Here again, I will have to store this node. So again, forward equal C2 dot next. Forward equal C2 dot next. And again C2 equal forward. I'll have to repeat this task. I'll have to repeat this task till some point. Can I say that I'll have to do this task while some condition is true? I'll have to do this task, right? While some condition is true, I'll have to do this task. Can you tell me what this condition will be? What this condition will be actually? Think about it and do a dry run of this code. There are few things that are still missing. Do dry run. Okay. Do dry run of this one. While L1 dot next while L1 dot next is not null, is equal case L1 dot next equal null, or it should be not equal to null. See, the condition here will be while C1 is not equal to null and C2 is not equal to null. Okay. While C1 is not equal to null and C2 is not equal to null. This will be the condition. Okay. But there is something that is missing in this code. There is something that is fundamentally wrong with this code. This code is not correct. This code is actually not correct. I just want you to figure out the mistake. Just actually want you to figure out the mistake. See, is it compulsory that the both the list length will be same? Can we not have a condition something like this? Do you think this will work in this case, or can I not have condition something like this? This is C1, case 1, this is case 2. G. Can we not have condition something like this? Okay. So this will be your homework to do. Figure out the mistake. Case it is, but still there is one thing missing. Okay. There is one thing missing. If you'll do the dry run, you'll figure out that. All right. Now we have 15 minutes break. All right. And I'm pretty sure you must be having another link. Okay. You guys have another link for the class. And the next class will start at 10:30. Okay. Stack and queues. All right. Chalo. Take rest. 15 minutes break.